Let us take a look at the LCD screen. The number represents how many cups of coffee are brewed. It can count up to 9,999. Then it resets itself back to 0. Regardless of what type of coffee it is brewing, this machine is able to keep track of the number of cups. This way, you can easily see how many times you've brewed the coffee. The icon blinks from the right to left while heating the boiler or brewing the coffee. It stops blinking after the heating or brewing is completed. This means the machine is ready for extraction. The brewer icon indicates whether the inner brewer is installed properly. If the brewer is not connected correctly, the icon blinks this way. If the brewer is connected correctly, the icon stops blinking. The door icon indicates that whether the front door is closed correctly. When it blinks like this, the machine does not operate. The bean icon blinks when the bean container cover is not closed properly. The machine stops operating when you open the bean container cover while coffee is brewing. Please be careful not to open the container cover while the machine is in use. The water icon blinks when the water reservoir is empty or not connected with the machine. When it blinks, please fill the reservoir and make sure it is installed correctly. The cake icon indicates that it is time to empty the cake box. The light blinks when you brew the coffee more than 13 times. At this time, you should detach the cake box and the drip tray from the machine and empty the containers. After you empty them, please reattach the cake box and the drip tray back to the coffee machine properly. The filter icon indicates the filter should be replaced under the water reservoir. The filter improves water quality by taking out calcium, so you can use pure water. It blinks after approximately 300 liters of water use. At this time, you should replace the filter with a new one. To start, please remove the water reservoir and unlock the locking pin on the filter. Put a new filter in and install it. Please note, this icon represents the filter changing period, so you may still use the machine normally. We recommend replacing the filter to extend the life of the machine. The icon blinks when there is a problem with the machine. In that case, please turn off the power and contact the store in which you bought it to check out the machine.